Hello everyone, welcome to Rome Tips. Today we will be discussing something that many YouTube TV subscribers face: how to kick people off your account. Ever find yourself trying to watch a game, only to be greeted with a too many streams message? Yeah, it's frustrating. Maybe your freeloading cousin is watching on his phone, or your ex is still using your account. Whatever the reason, we're here to help you reclaim your streaming freedom. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know to manage your YouTube TV shared accounts, including how to see who's using your account, how to remove devices, and some tips to prevent unwanted access in the future. But before we dive in, if you find this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips. We're always putting out tips and tricks to help you make the most of your streaming services. Now, let's get started. Alright, so the first thing you'll want to do is check who's currently using your YouTube TV account. The easiest way to do this is through the YouTube TV app on your phone or tablet. Just open the app and follow these steps. 1. Tap your profile picture in the top right corner. 2. Select Settings. 3. Then tap Family Sharing. 4. Here, you'll see a list of all the members of your family group. Now, this is where it gets a little tricky. You can't directly kick someone off right now, but you can remove them from a family group entirely. This is the most straightforward method to stop them from using your account. To do this: 1. On the family sharing screen, find the person you want to remove. 2. Tap their name. 3. Select Remove from Family Group. 4. Confirm your decision. Keep in mind, removing them from a family group will also remove their access to other Google services shared within the family, like Google One storage. Okay, so maybe you don't want to completely remove someone from your family group. Maybe they're usually good about not hogging all the streams, but you suspect someone else is using their login. In that case, the best thing to do is change your Google account password. Here's how to do it. 1. Go to your Google account settings. You can do this by searching Google account, or going to myaccount.google.com. 2. Select Security from the left-hand menu. 3. Under Signing in to Google, click Password. 4. You'll likely be asked to verify your identity. 5. Enter your new strong password and click Change Password. Changing your password will force all devices logged in with your old password to re-authenticate. This means anyone using your account without your permission will be logged out and need the new password to get back in. Be sure to share the new password with the family members you do want to have access. Now, let's talk about preventing this from happening in the future. The best way to prevent unauthorized access is to practice good password hygiene. Use a strong, unique password. Don't use the same password for multiple accounts. Enable two-factor authentication. 2FA. This adds an extra layer of security by requiring a code from your phone in addition to your password. To set this up, go to the security section of your Google account settings and find two-step verification. Be careful who you share your password with. Only share your password with trusted family members. So there you have it. That's how to kick people off your YouTube TV account and prevent unauthorized access in the future. Remember to change your password if you suspect someone is using your account without permission, and always practice good password security. We hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Rome Tips for more streaming tips and tricks. Thanks for watching. And let us know in the comments if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. See you in the next one.